Today, we'll be unboxing the Riester RCS 100 wireless medical camera system. The RCS 100 is a multifunctional, portable and versatile wireless medical camera system that can be used with a choice of lenses and adapters to assess a patient's eyes, ears, nose, throat, skin and more. Included in the box are instructions for use, the RCS 100 camera system, 3 interchangeable modules, an otoscope, dermatoscope and general lens, a tube holder of 10 reusable multi-size specula, and 1 small box containing the charging cable, as well as 4 multi-region country-specific adapters and the charging unit itself. Attach the adapter to the charging unit by pulling the button on the charging unit down and sliding the adapter in. Release the button to secure these together. Attach the charging cable to the charging plug using the USB end of the cable and the smaller USB-C cable to insert it into the RCS 100. Plug into the electric socket to charge the RCS 100. The RCS 100 interchangeable modules are easily attached into the RCS 100 camera system. Align the lens markers with the RCS 100 camera system's markers and rotate the lens clockwise. Press the power button on the left top corner for 3 seconds to turn the system on or off. Turn on the screen and it will display the startup image. After about 25 seconds, the system completes the startup process and automatically detects the lens and displays the corresponding main page. The RCS 100 is ready to use.